Hello everybody. So I am doing a review of unboxing the quality feel of this XHorse Dolphin XP-007 key cutting machine. I mean, you can hear it's made very well. It's got a little LED light. This runs on battery power once it's fully charged, of course, and then you can also operate it plugged in to an outlet. It includes some little bits and so forth, the items needed to set it all up. Includes a brush to get the remaining leftover cuts off of there and out of the way. Moves real smooth. Listen to it. It's a well-built machine. It's definitely not some cheapie. So like I said, I'm new to key cutting. I just want something different to learn how to do. It's always nice to just know things. And I've been blessed where I can afford to buy a $700 key cutter for having it around for fun. I'll make keys for friends of mine or my own. And I'll be doing a video also once I figure out how to set it up. I'll show you how to adjust it and set it all up with the included accessories. And then I'm going to be doing a video next on a top-down Ninja BT 1000, I think it is. It's a key programmer. Yeah, T Ninja 1000 top-down. I bought that also for programming keys. So watch for that video. I'll put a link down in the description once that video's up. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Bye.